For lease I will buy this abandoned shop and change it to Carson's Fried Chicken. There.
I will go work at Carson's Fried Chicken.
Hi Memy, can I help you with something?
Can I work here?
Sure.
Thanks.
Hey, let's sell poop instead of chicken.
Good idea.
Here comes our first customer.
Can I have chicken with sauce?
Sure. Here you go.
You lied to me. I'm never coming back to this dump.
Here comes our next customer.
Can I have 4 pieces of chicken, 2 chicken drumsticks and a large Coke?
Okay. Here you go.
You lied to me. That's it. I'm calling your mother and father.
No 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 no.
No 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 no.
Hello Mr. and Mrs. Fanclub. Your son made a restaurant with Memy9909 and sold poop instead of chicken. Hello Mr. 9909. Carsonsfanclub and Memy9909 opened up a restaurant and sold poop instead of chicken.
Mary, how dare you open up a restaurant with Carsonsfanclub and sell poop instead of chicken?
You're coming home with us now.
Carsonsfanclub, how dare you open up a restaurant with Memy9909 and sell poop instead of chicken?
You will come home with us now.
www